Hello kids, welcome back to online classes. My name is Renuka Devi. I am from Appa Public School. I am handling social studies for grade 4. As you all know that in last class we have completed lesson number 11. The name of the lesson was Water Resources of India. Water is a main sources, okay, and it is also a natural sources. Rain is only the main sources of water. There are two types of sources of water. One is natural sources of water and the other one is man-made water sources. In natural, there which are the examples that come in that? The examples are ocean, river, sea, etc. And in man-made water resources, man-made water sources are, which are the examples? The examples are dam, canal and many other like bore, etc. So one information I would like to give you that lesson number 12. Which lesson? Lesson number 12 will be explained later on. Lesson number 12 will be explained later on. Today we are going to study lesson number 13. Before starting lesson, I would like to ask question that from where do we get the food grains, vegetables, fruits? From where do we get the food grains? We get food grains from the field, right? So today's lesson is agriculture in India. Lesson number 13, agriculture in India. So first we will study about introduction. India is one of the major agriculture country of the world. India is one of the major agriculture country in the world. About 60% of population is engaged in agriculture or its related functions. Agriculture or its related functions. Apart from farming, agriculture includes other activities like dairy farming, livestock, fishing and horticulture. And one more thing, agriculture is a main occupation of India. Our economic progress depends a lot on how strong our agriculture sector is. In this picture you can see the field, farmer and the how green it is, everything. And here you can see vegetables, fruits and many other things. Agriculture can be defined as practice of farming. Agriculture can be defined as practice of farming and cultivation of land to grow crops. Cultivation of land to grow crops is called as agriculture. Shall we repeat it once again? Agriculture can be defined as practice of farming and cultivation of land to grow crops is called as agriculture. Types of farming in India. There are three types of farming. One is subsistence farming, other is commercial farming and home farming. One is subsistence farming, commercial farming and other one is home farming. Subsistence farming is described as family farming. Subsistence farming is described as family farming. Why? Because it meets the needs of the farmer's family. It requires a low level of technology and household labors. It requires a low level of technology and household labors. These type of farming produce small outputs. Facilities like electricity and irrigation are not available to them. Which are not available? Electricity and irrigations are not available for them. You can see in this picture. Next is commercial farming. Next is commercial farming. In this farming, crops are sold in the market. Commercial farming means the crops that are grown, that are sold in the market, that are sold in the market. The main purpose of this farming is to do business. Commercial farming, the main purpose of this farming is to do business. It is required large area and high level of technology. Commercial farming is required a large area and high level technology. Here you can see commercial farming, crops, grows crops and animal to sell. Next is home farming. Which is next one? Next one is home farming. Home farming includes terrace farming and gardening. Home farming includes terrace farming and gardening. It required small space and small tools like garden rack and pruning shears, etc. This farming has ability to grow any vegetables, fruits and small trees in the garden. Here you can see the terrace farming. In terrace farming means the crops, like for example, here you can see in this picture, they have planted on the terrace of the house. Yes, so that type of farming is known as home or terrace farming. Next is crops. We will study about crops. A crops can be defined as any cultivated plants. In this picture you can see a crop can be defined as any cultivated plants that is harvested for the purpose of consumption. For the purpose of consumption. You can see here the crops are being harvested by the machine. This is harvesting machine. The crops are here and the machine is harvesting the crops and filling it in the tractor. Yes. Next, agriculture can also be defined as the cultivation of land to produce crops in form of food, yes, and in form of livestock, cattle, in form of cloth, and medicines. There are two types of crops. One is cash crops and the other one is food crops. How many types of crops are there? There are two types of crops. Which are those two types of crops? One is cash crop and the other one is food crop. Here are the few examples of cash crops and food crops. Cash crops are cotton. Here you can see in this picture, sugarcane, tobacco and oil seeds. And in food crop, here also there are few examples: wheat, rice, maize, barley and gram. These are the few examples of cash crops and food crops. Now we will briefly study about few of the food crops. The crops grown to feed people are called food crops. What do you mean by food crop? The crops grown to feed people. The crops grown to feed people are called food crops. Shall we repeat it once again? The crops grown to feed people are called food crops. Farmers grow just what is enough for their own personal needs. Rice, wheat, millets and different types of pulses are food crops. Which are the food crops? Rice, wheat, millets and different types of pulses are some of the food crops. Now first we will study about rice. Here you can see few of the pictures of the food crops. Rice is one of the staple food crop of India. Rice is one of the staple food crop of India. Rice requires a hot and wet climate to grow. Which type of climate do rice need to grow? It needs hot and wet climate, also known as paddy. Rice is sown during the monsoon season. Which season? Monsoon season. And here are the few states in which the rice production is done. West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala are the rice producing states of India. Rice, shall we repeat it once again? Rice is one of the staple food crop of India. Rice requires a hot and wet climate to grow. Rice sown during monsoon season. And the states in which rice, which are the rice producing states of India? West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Next is wheat. Here you can see in this picture wheat. Wheat is another important food crop of India. Wheat is also one of the important food crop of India. It grows in cool and moist climate. This winter crop, it is the staple food of the people of Northern India. It is a staple food of people who stay in Northern India. Some of the states are Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh are the major wheat producing states. Shall we repeat once again? Wheat is another important food crop and it is grown in cool and moist climate, and this is also winter crop, and it is the staple food of northern India. And which are the states that produce the wheat? The wheat producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh. Right? We'll move on to next. That is millets. Millets were the first crops to be cultivated by the early settlers, means early peoples. For example, early humans we say, no, those people. Millets grow in a hot and dry climate. Millets grow in a hot and dry climate. They include all coarse food grains such as jawar, bajra and ragi. Here you can see this is jawar, this is bajra and this one is ragi. Millets producing states in India are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Bihar, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Which are the, shall we repeat once again the millets? Millets were the first crops to grow in the, to grow by the early humans. Millets grow in hot and dry climate, right? And and some of the millets are jawar, ragi and bajra. The state where the millets are grown are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Bihar, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Next is pulses. Pulses including like moong, masuri and grams. Pulses were widely grown in the state of Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. India is the world's largest producer and consumer of pulses. More pulses are grown in India. And here are few pulses. This is masoor dal, moong dal. This is green gram dal and channa dal. Here you can see the channa dal and tur dal. Here are the few dals. So students, today we have completed lesson number 13. As I informed before, lesson number 12 will be explained further. So not to worry, lesson number 12 will be explained further. And today we have learned about agriculture in India, and in that we have studied types of farming and food crops and cash crops. Today we have briefly studied about food crops, and in next class we will study about cash crops. So please read textbooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.